Hey, what's up YouTubers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. If you're joining us from the previous video where we built the headboard of the storage bed, glad to have you. If you haven't checked that out, definitely check that out. That is the beginning steps of this project. So after going to that video, come right back here and we are going to continue on to the actual bed frame with the storage drawers. First thing, let's open up the bag of hardware and verify we have all the pieces. All hardware is accounted for, as well as the two brackets, as you can see here. In step 1, attach storage rails to headboard by using bolts B and washers, then the L metal plate and F to footboard, and storage rails by using the E washers and G screw, as you can see here. But we'll start here, and you will be able to access the screw holes on the back side of the actual legs on the headboard. Prior to doing that, make sure your actual storage rails are correctly positioned. The side rails have the trim on the face, and the end piece has trims on the sides and face, all the way around. This step is pretty simple. Just make sure you align the screws properly prior to tightening them. The hardest part is just balancing this headboard as you align the screws. Once the screws are secure and tight, let's hop to the opposite side. Left side screws are in and secure, and the headboard is now secured to the actual storage rails. And just as important on this side like the other side, prior to tightening these screws down, make sure the headboard's aligned. Now let's install the brackets, and as you can see by the photo, it will be secured to the end piece first, and then screwed in using the 10 screws. In front of me is the end piece, and these two large circle bracket holes will go right in there. And grab the correct hardware, which are these, and go ahead and secure those. Both brackets on and secure. There's the left side, there's the right. And at this point, we are going to slowly align the end piece in between the left and right rails. After aligning all 3 of the storage rails, now it's time to secure all screws. And stay away from power drills. Use a hand tool. 5 on the left, 5 on the right, all secured. Step 2, let's go ahead and secure the slats and use the screw H. Here are the slats, and they have the word top stamped on them, which makes it a lot easier during installation. And that's what it looks like after the slats are secured, and that basically finishes the project. The hardest part about this entire project is just the alignment of all the parts. If you can take your time and conquer that and use a level throughout the entire project, make sure all these parts are level, you will be extremely satisfied with the end result. Now we're going to drop the mattress on and then add the sheets. All complete, added the nightstands. And what I'll do now is show you the drawers. The end has 2, and they're pretty deep and tall. And the sides have 2 drawers. Those are the same length and depth, tall and deep. Same, and the exact same on the opposite side. 3 drawers on the nightstand. And overall, very satisfied with the end result. Do us a favor, right below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely turn on your YouTube notifications and your settings, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. That's it. I hope the video helped. As you can see, that is awesome and adds a huge amount of storage to our actual room. And if you're like us, we need more storage, so what a cool way to add storage without taking up much space. Thanks again.